You know what's worse than leg day? Leg day when your knees are already screaming at you. I've had knee problems my whole life, from years of squatting, heavy, running marathons, skiing bumps, climbing endless stairs, you name it. At times, it got so bad I couldn't even squat with 200 pounds, when just weeks earlier I was hitting reps with 500. And if you've ever felt pain when squatting, walking upstairs, or even just getting out of a chair, you are not alone. Even Arnold Schwarzenegger has dealt with major knee issues. But here's the good news, your knees are not done for. You can rebuild strength, reduce pain, and get back to doing the things you love. Today, I'm going to give you 2 proven exercises, a recovery routine, and one crucial tip almost everyone overlooks, but it could be the missing piece to bulletproof knees. Section 1. Understanding knee pain. Before we jump into the exercises, here's the thing. Most knee pain isn't from one bad move. It's from years of tiny imbalances, bad movement patterns, and let's be honest, sometimes just doing too much without giving our joints the time to recover. The knee is caught in the middle between the hip and the ankle. If either of those isn't doing its job, the knee ends up taking all the stress. And that stress shows up in the same way for a lot of us. Pain going up or down stairs, stiffness after sitting ache during squats or lunges, or that weird grinding feeling. Here's the truth. You can't just rest it forever and hope it goes away. You have to strengthen the muscles around the joint without aggravating it. That's where today's exercises come in. Section 2. Exercise number 1. The isometric lunge hold. One of the most common questions I get is, how do I do lunges without killing my knees? The answer? Start with isometric lunge holds. They build stability and strength without the joint stress of full lunges. Here's how to do it. Step into a lunge position, like you're pausing mid-yoga pose. Keep your chest tall, back straight, and shoulders relaxed. Focus on foot pressure, it should be centered. Too far back gives you'll overload glutes, hamstrings. Too far forward gives you risk overloading the quads and irritating the front of the knee. Hold for 10 seconds to start, then rest. Struggling with balance? Use a wall, bar, or TRX straps for support. Progression? Add time, 20, 30, even 45 seconds. Add weight hold dumbbells or wear a weighted vest. Change the depth slightly deeper, holds build more quad strength, but always stay pain-free. Why this works? It teaches your body to engage the right muscles without grinding the joint. Think of it as practice for movement you're training, the pattern, not just the muscles. Section 3. Exercise number 2. Wall sit with variations. The wall sit is a classic, but we're going to upgrade it for maximum benefit without unnecessary knee stress. Basic wall sit. Stand with your back against a wall. Walk your feet forward and slide down until your thighs are working, but stop before you feel pain. Knees over ankles. Weight in the middle of your feet. Variations to target different muscles. Glute focus. Add a loop band around your knees and push outward. Inner thigh focus. Place a yoga block or ball between your knees and squeeze. Endurance challenge. Add pulses at the bottom for the last 10 seconds. Start with 20 seconds. Progress towards 60 over time. You'll build a rock-solid base without forcing painful motion. Section 4. The bonus tip that changes everything. Here's the thing almost nobody talks about. Full knee extension is just as important as bending. If you can't fully straighten your knee, your quads never fully activate. That means every step, every squat, every jump is leaving strength on the table and dumping more pressure onto your joint. Tight hamstrings and calves are the usual culprits. Spend a few minutes after training, stretching them, and check that you can comfortably lock out the knee. Think of it like training your triceps. If you never fully extend your elbow, you never hit 100% activation. Same rule applies here. Section 5. Recovery plan. Strength is only half the equation. Recovery is where the magic happens. Here's your post-training knee checklist. Ice for swelling or soreness. Light movement walking. Cycling keeps blood flowing and nutrients going to the joint. Rest days. Listen to your body, and don't push through sharp pain. Mobility work a few minutes daily. Keep stiffness from creeping back in. Remember, training smarter beats training harder. Overtraining is one of the fastest ways to turn a small ache into a long-term injury. These 2 exercises, plus the bonus tip, can help you rebuild strength and stability so your knees stop holding you back. Do them daily. Respect, recovery, and stay consistent, and your knees will thank you. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed tips, and share this with someone who's tired of living with knee pain.